How you going, guys? So just a quick run through on the JMacx upgraded brake booster. So we've got here the upgraded unit versus a standard one. So this is what it looks like in the car, the standard little unit. So if you're ever scared about putting your foot on the brakes, once you're fully loaded, this would be the reason why. They are absolutely tiny for what the vehicle weighs. So yeah, check it out. So this is how small they are, right? Versus the JMacx unit, they're a beast. They'll pull you up. They'll pull you up super fast, right? So these things are well underrated in my opinion. So this is a big unit. So what we'll do is pop back shortly with it all installed, and yeah, I'll show you how it all fits in. Alright, so back again here. We've got these, this old one now, old booster. There's the one I just showed you a pre-clip of before, and now we've got the mighty JMacx booster in now, so you can see the size of it. So I've just given it a bit of a wash down, because when I actually remove the master cylinder completely out of the vehicle, and it just spills a little bit of brake fluid there, so I've just given it a wash down. And yeah, so I've just got to do the final bleed up, and should be all good to go on a road test. So you can really see that difference in size there versus these little guys over here. So they're just like, yeah, just scrap metal now. Unless anyone wants them, give us a call if you want some free boosters, because yeah, they're good for the bin now. All right, see ya.